Good morning, children. Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, Chapter 8, Cyber Safety. What do you mean by a cyber safety? Cyber safety means we are trying to be safe on the world of internet. Nowadays, the internet and smart devices have become an integral part in our daily life. And we are continually using this social media and internet in our daily life. So, before going to the topic cyber safety, let's have a look at what is an internet and the advantages and disadvantages of internet. Internet is network of networks. That is, it is an international network. It is a network used all over the world where user can communicate each other from different location and then they can exchange informations. Nowadays, internet become an integral part in our daily life. Almost everything is available on the internet. That is, we can shop online, transfer money, promote products, and we can collect information or data from the internet. So, internet become an integral part of our daily life. So, internet is a network of network or international network. Next, we will discuss advantages of internet. First one is treasure of information. The first advantage of internet is treasure of information. Internet is hub of information. That is, we can collect any type of information through internet. If we want any type of information, we can search that related information using this internet. And people can do their research and project using internet. Second advantage is web services. Internet provide useful services like chatting, video conferencing, email, etc. Using web service, an organization can exchange informations among the employees and also they can conduct meeting between the employees located at different locations. The third advantage is promoting business. It helps the companies to promote their products online through websites. It also helps the user to sell their products. So this is the third advantage of internet. It helps teachers and students to collect the information related to the topics from the internet. Nowadays, the learning has changed from classroom to virtual classroom. Using e-learning, students can study by sitting at their homes. The fifth advantage is entertainment. That is, we can use internet for the entertainment purpose. That is, we can watch videos, listen music, then we can play games, then we can also read newspapers, magazines using this internet. So, these are the different advantages of internet. The first one is treasure of information. That is, internet is a collection of information. Using this, we can search any information through internet. Second one is web services. That is, internet provide different services like chatting, email, video conferences. So, people from different locations can communicate with each other. Third one is promoting business. Using internet, companies can promote their products using websites. And also they can sell their products. Fourth one is e-learning. That is, using internet, students can learn by sitting at their home. And they can also search the information from the internet related to the subjects. Then fifth one is entertainment. That is, we can use internet for the entertainment purpose, like playing games, watching videos, listening music, reading newspapers and magazines, etc. So these are the 5 advantages of internet. Next is disadvantages of internet. The first one is pornographic and violent pictures. In an internet, there are some websites which contain pornographic and violent pictures. This will affect the mental health condition of the children. Next is wastage of time. With excessive use of internet, people get addicted to the internet so that it will waste our time. Next is virus and spam attack. In the world of internet, there will be virus attack. The user can lose their information or data in this attack. Next is loss of personal information. We share our personal information on the internet so that it will be misused by cyber criminals. So these are the 4 disadvantages of using internet. Pornographic and violent pictures. Second one, wastage of time. Third one, virus and spam attack. Fourth one, loss of personal information.
What is Internet? Internet is also called as the net or network of networks, means international network. It is a network used all over the world where users located at different locations can communicate and exchange information with each other. It is a collection of networks which are connected to one another and forms a global network. Almost everything is available on Internet, from online shopping to transferring money, promoting products, collecting information, etc. Internet has transformed our lives and made us more digitized. Advantages of Internet. The usage of Internet has increased over the years, as it has many advantages. Let us discuss some of the advantages one by one. Treasure of information. Internet is a hub of information, as we can search and access any type of information on any topic through Internet. So it is used extensively by people to do their project and research. Web services. Internet provides many useful services to us like chatting, email, video conferencing, etc., which help people to connect to each other all around the world. Using these services, organizations can exchange information and conduct meetings with their employees which are located at the different places. Promoting business. Internet also helps companies to promote their products online through websites and social networking sites. It allows users to sell their products online. E-learning. Internet has changed the learning from classroom to virtual classrooms. These days, students can study by sitting at home at their own comfortable timing. Internet is also used by teachers as well as students to collect information on various topics. Entertainment. Internet is used by people for entertainment. People can listen to music, watch movies, and play games through Internet. Internet allows people to read newspapers and magazines online. There are various services on Internet like news groups and blogs where people can contribute as per their interests. Disadvantages of Internet. Internet has many advantages for the users. That excess of everything is dangerous. So Internet has some disadvantages also. Pornographic and violent pictures. There are several websites on the Internet that have violent and pornographic videos and images. This type of content disturbs the mental health of children. Wastage of time. It is a wastage of time, as with the excessive use of the Internet, people get addicted to it and spend lots of time on surfing. Virus and spam attacks. Internet has also increased the cases of virus attacks. Users can lose their data and programs in these virus attacks. Loss of personal information. We share our personal information over the Internet that can be misused by cyber criminals to harm you. Let us now take a look at some of the unethical practices in the cyber world and some tips to safeguard our personal data.
So children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned about Internet. Internet means it's a network of network or international network. Using Internet, users can communicate with each other all over the world and they can exchange their information. Then we learned the advantages and disadvantages of internet. Hope all of you understood the topic that we have discussed today. For any doubts or clarifications, we will discuss in the live class. Thank you.